Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download Spectrum TV app on our Roku device. Let's get started. First turn on your TV and make sure your Roku device is connected to the internet. Now press the home button on your Roku remote. This will take you to the Roku home screen. On the left side of the screen, scroll down and select streaming channels. Next to search channels, use the on-screen keyboard, type Spectrum TV. From the search results, select the app. Make sure it is the official app from Spectrum. Next, select Add Channel. Please wait a few seconds while the app download and install on your Roku device. Once the installation is complete, select Go to the channel to open the app. Now you will see the Spectrum TV welcome screen. If you already have an account, to sign in and enter your username and password. If from, follow the on-screen steps to complete the sign-in process. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Spectrum TV app on a Roku device. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.